Do you have only one texture and want to use it on a large tiling floor with 50 or 60 tiles or even more? Today, I'll show you an amazing solution for this common problem. Hey guys, I'm Milad. Let's jump into the new technique in Corona Renderer. Here, I have just one texture. By the way, I created this texture using ChatGPT. Now, let's apply this texture to our tile like this. Make sure you set up a proper UVW map for the tiles. My tiles dimension are 50 by 50, so here I set 50 by 50. Okay, 50, sorry, like this, it means 50 centimeter. Okay, now look at this. There is a lot of repetition across the tiles because we are using only one texture. In the next step, I will add a Corona UV Randomizer. Corona UV Randomizer, I added a middle connection line like this. After selected, in the next step in this section, type here, I have to select mesh elements and that here type 360 and minus 360 and here 60 by 60 and randomize each tile. Now select this parameter and just like that, each tile has a different variation of the texture. And look at the result. Every tiles have a different UV and different scale of the texture, our tile texture. It was very easy. Let me tell you a secret. You don't need to create dozens of separate tiles or boxes like this. Only here I create a plane. You can simply create this plane, increase the number of polygons like this, for example, like this, and again open our material and apply the material to this, applied UV like that. It's mean maybe 0.5 it's enough, maybe no, 25.25 like this. I think it's okay. And here I select the gizmo, our gizmo. I think I have to increase this 0.3 and 0.3. Okay, now and then selected the polygon mode option. This will be detected each polygon on the plane. Look at this on render. Look at this. And this will detect each polygon on the plane and apply random UV to each one, just like it did with the individual tile. That's it. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you.